Hey guys, today we're going to show you some slime pet peeves, so let's go. This is the one that does not know how to use this swirl. And now, let's see.
The aggressive poker.
The aggressive poker. Okay, my turn. Now this one is funny. The parrot poke. So let's put my iPad right here. Okay, this is how you poke slime. So today I'm going to be poking some slime. This is how you poke. Kaya, do you want to do the, what is it called again? It's like, what is it? Wait, would you guys use a potato masher?
Oh yeah.
Do the one that doesn't stick to the potato masher. Let's see if it does not stick to the potato masher. Okay, is that on tape? I hope that doesn't stick to the potato masher. Even to make it try not to stick to the potato masher. Can I have the potato masher? Please. Okay, anyways. And now, this is the one that, like, what is it again? Like the one that breathes loudly. So, this one's not to make fun of people, but, like, let's go. So, like, this might be a medical condition, so please don't, you know. Okay, Ty, you're gonna do the pro.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Use that? Oh my god, that's for Mom's mashed potatoes.
No, you clean after that.
You clean it after.
You're doing a nice pro one, Taya.
Ready?
Nice.
Ready?
Okay.
Hold on, wait. Swirl. On.
You can't do the swirl.
Ready?
Wait, that's how you do the swirl? Okay, you guys just got embarrassed. But anyway, Taya, no, let's do the one that talks too much.
Oh.
Okay, I'll do it. And then you can do the one that, like, starts talking about all these gangster things and stuff. So this is my slime. It's the best stuff ever. And like, I got, my sister made it. And she's like right in front of me. So, yeah, let's play with it. And, yeah. This is my slime, and I really like it. It's a nice color. It's baby blue, basically. My sister had like, you know, purplish baby blue. No, yeah, anyways. So this is my brace. Do you like it? Yeah, anyways. Okay. I'm just gonna be poking this slime. It's so satisfying. So I almost did the parrot poke. So anyways, let's go. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's the best.
Ready?
Let's see this tape. Yeah.
Bam! Look at it. I did the bubbles. Oh no, they popped. But I did it.
Can I do the one that like do the one that starts talking about like all these no, do the one that do the my lighting's fine. I'll shut off the lights, okay? Okay, I'm gonna shut off the lights. This is the my lighting's fine. Okay. We're just doing something funny right now. Okay. Okay. Let's shut off more lights. Where are they? Right here. Maybe. No. Oh yeah. Okay, we'll be right back. I just need to figure out how to shut all these lights off. Okay. This is the my lighting's fine.
For the people that add random things into their slime.
Yeah, let's do that. What we should add. Okay. Okay, everybody, we're gonna turn on the lights now. I hope you have a great day. Okay.
Here, hold the iPad above. Like.
Okay, so Talia's gonna be putting. Okay, Talia. Is that gonna stick?
No. I beat though. I don't know where they went. Oh, there's one.
How do people do this without not finding them? I can't wait to watch this.
There's two.
I'm gonna do the background noise. Like you keep on making like these like when like people are shooting like.
Oh, here's the other two.
Okay, tell you. I'm gonna be doing the background noise one. I just want you to go like. Okay.
Okay. Here, wait, hold on. Let me get all this.
Okay, you ready?
Wait.
Okay. I'm just playing with my phone. I'm putting it down now. Okay, I'm gonna be doing mine. So, okay, I'm really sorry for all the background noise, but I hope you enjoy. Oh no, Taya, dude, you don't know where the camera is. One, like you forget where the camera is. When I forget where the camera is. So like start like making it go away so like they can't see it. And like the camera's all the way down here and you don't know.
Where's the camera?
Right here.
Ah.
Okay, and then the last one we're going to be doing that I'm going to do is the one that like the one that's not even paying attention, like the one that doesn't even poke the slime, like it just like the hover over it, like okay, that's it.
Oh, they go like this. They go.
Yeah. So today I'm going to be poking the slime, and this is not my first try. Don't worry. So people are saying I should be poking it more. Like I'm doing exactly the same thing. Like see, I'm poking it so good. Do you see it? Yeah. Anyways, have a great day, and this is my poking. Anyways, bye YouTube. Say bye, Taya. Bye. I'm still poking, so don't mind. Bye.